Okay, it's still hard to see these guys, but I put on a couple lights in my room, even though it's nighttime. Hi Kit Kat, hi Monty. You're purring, yes you are. Hi Monty, you're a good boy. You had a good time today, huh? Mom took you to the dog park. We played with some Great Danes and stuff. Huh. You purring. Yeah. They don't seem to bother each other. Hi Monty. Hi good boy. Scratch those ears. Scratch your forehead. Yeah. Look at you two. Huh? So I love you, Kit Kat. Oh. Look at these guys. I love my pets.